بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. It was identified by Sheikh Nazim. May Allah raise his stations high and higher. And this was like many, many years ago when inside this entire place was a forest. And Mullah Sheikh Nazim, he came looking for this place where there is a very special location which I will mention about. So he kept walking into the forest and walking, and he reached this place, and then he identified two spots which are behind us. And he mentioned a few things about this place, after which some of the Muris, they bought this place and they built this masjid over here. So before I tell you what it is, I will mention that every big awliya, they have 7 stations in the world. They go from station to station, station to station, station to station, and they do their duty. They have some duties and responsibilities of spirituality, so they go from place to place. 7 locations, the big grand awliyas they have. And they have specific times to reach that place. And we are in that time right now.
Subhanallah.
We actually reached in that time. One maqam, the one behind, is of Shaykh Abdullah Faiz Dagestani. That is where he comes. Like we say Feri in Urdu. So that is the location where he comes and he does his whatever which we don't understand. And the other maqam is Hazrat Uwais al-Qarani.
Subhanallah.
And this entire place is heavily populated with clean jinns, good jinns, pious jinns. So the more silent we are, the more adab we maintain, is better for us. Stay silent for some time and you will feel the peace, and we can make the ziyarat, we can make some dua, and then inshallah we will leave, we'll go out. Okay. So just be very careful. We don't know who's around us. We don't want to be disrespectful. There might be someone praying around us we cannot see. So we are sending our salam to all the good souls who are present over here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.